Hello, I'm Ava Manukyan from Brighton Collectibles. Today we're going to talk about a very special necklace called Alcazar Pearl Necklace. Alcazar is a very classic collection. It represents symbol of love, which is heart, and with touch of that Swarovski crystal that brings a little bit of sparkle in it, makes it real special and elegant. Naturally, the next step of evolution was to bring in some pearls, and this time I took the iconic heart of Alcazar and combined that with a strand of freshwater pearls in white cream. Pearls are occurring as a natural phenomena. It happens when foreign object or material finds its way into a mollusk, and for its own protection starts creating this form of a calcium, which is actually a mother of pearl, to protect itself. And it takes about at least 2 years to get the pearls out. Of course, our customers are really loving this necklace because it's so classic and it's so wearable. You can wear it every day, you can wear it to a party, and with a pair of little earrings from Alcazar collection or a bracelet combined with it, it will just make the look.